how to disable Premier League emails in the Fantasy Premier League app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Premier League emails in the Fantasy Premier League app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, at the top, you can see the option labeled as My PL Settings. So simply tap on it. And after that, you can just tap on Preferences and Interest. And under the section at the top, you can see the option labeled as Premier League Emails. So here, to disable this feature, just toggle off that option and that's it. That's how you can disable Premier League emails in the Fantasy Premier League app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.